Hey everyone, this is your Russian sidekick on the kitchen again here, and today I'm gonna show you a really simple cream. You can make use of it in a variety of things. So let's get into it. You just need to use a mixer, 1 pint or 16 ounces of heavy whipping cream, and half of a cup of powdered sugar. I'm just gonna pour whipping cream here inside of the mixer. Make sure it's cold. You have to leave it in the fridge for some time just to make it cold, because when it's cold it's just whipping a little bit faster and nicer. So then you put your mixer, and we're gonna start on a slow. You don't want to go too fast on the start because the whipping cream gonna be all over everything here. Now I'm gonna just add all of my sugar and go a little bit faster. And when you can see that cream is starting like shaping and it's not liquid anymore, it's just like should be nice like this, and then we're done. Let me just show you some practical uses for this cream. It tastes just like ice cream. I'm just gonna grab a few spatulas of the cream here. This looks really nice. This will look perfect on your cake, or I will show you some other uses in the next video. So you have to keep it in the fridge. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just put it in the fridge and it will wait its time for the next recipe. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel and good luck with the cream. I'll see you.